like I just have a Facebook Marketplace ad up with all the packs I have. People message me. So when I get back in town for 2 days a week, so I'm driving over the road 5 days a week trucking. I try to fulfill all the orders from... I mostly have older sets from the past where you can't buy them at the store anymore, so it's like people who are hardcore collectors who still want older stuff, they'll buy it online, but the online shipper takes 12% and then you have to pay to ship. I'm able to, by doing it local, I can offer better prices, the cheapest prices on these. So yeah, he wants the celebration, he wants 12 of these, so I gotta open up 3 boxes.
You have a cute little box here. Look at that, guys.
So basically I'll just make these 4 will sell for what I bought the box for. So it's like I won't make a cash profit, but I end up with 2 extra packs like that. So I can sell these. This will be the profit when I sell these.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This one, it's like 200, and this one's selling for like 300 to 400 right now.
Mm. Wow, that's expensive.
That's the most expensive set right now. Current set. Like
this one, this is expensive, guys. Oh, bili na kayo dyan. We're in live selling.
the ones if I like when I was a kid, if I had bought those, it would be. They were like 200 when I was a kid, like 1 to 200.
Mm-hmm.
Right now they're selling for 15,000. Those ones from 1999. If you have the original set, and like resale value, they just open them all.
I mean, it's a long time ago, 20 years ago.
Right.